Hello everybody, in this video we are going to do a rundown of YouTube TV, explore some of the basic features and functionalities. Alright, here we go. First we're going to open YouTube TV. So this is just a basic rundown. There are more features, but this is what I tell customers and clients that are using it for the first time, just to give them some of the basic stuff so that their brains don't explode, for somebody who's never seen anything like this. So at the top here we're going to have top picks for you. They are relevant to the content that you usually select. So at first it's just going to be generic. After a little while it's going to pick up what you watch. There's filters. You can filter shows, news, reality, movies, crime, comedy, etc., etc. And then I don't pay attention to most of this till I get down to news. So these are all the live newscasts or broadcast, and they do a pretty good job of correlating everything here. One of my favorite features, if we go down one, is here where they have the news clips, because I don't really like watching the entire news broadcast. So here you can kind of just see the top stories, click on what you want. It'll have a 2-minute video here, 7-minute video there. Then I skip down. Movies, these are all included just for being a YouTube TV subscriber. It's a pretty extensive catalog, which is awesome. Family, these are all kid friendly or family friendly shows that are airing, or movies that are on demand. And then for sports fans, these are the live sports that are currently playing due to recent pandemic. Some of them are rebroadcast, like NBA 90s, obviously not live. And as far as that goes, that's all I pay attention to on the home screen. In order to get back quickly, there's a back button right here, and that brings us right to the top. So now we're back up where it says home, live, library. Library is all your DVR footage. We'll get to that in another video. If you're more of a traditional guide person, here's the live video, or live channels. It goes down. It's not really it's not in alphabetical order. It's locals, sports, then lifestyle channels. That's how it goes on the guide. There's also a quicker way. Again, we're going to hit that back button. You don't hit the home button. That takes you back to the home screen for Fire Stick. We don't want to do that. There's a search feature over here, and you just search for whatever you want. It goes in order of popularity. So if I pick B, it's going to have Boston Red Sox, Big Brother, Bravo. You can search shows, networks, sporting teams, type of sport. You just type it in there and it will pick it for you. So in this case, I know I'm a fan of Better Call Saul. I click on it and I will be able to watch now. It tells me about it, tells me cast members, similar stuff I might be interested in, and you see it's added to my library because I happen to like this show. So that is basically everything you need to know to get started on YouTube TV. Feel free to watch this video again to see how we do everything. You can definitely get to us with any suggestions or feedback to help improve how we can serve you. Thank you.